कश्मीर महजूम
बंद करो, बंद करो, बंद करो।
हम क्या चाहते हैं?
आजादी,
हक हमारा,
आजादी,
हम छीन के लेंगे
आजादी।
गो इंडिया,
गो बैक,
गो इंडिया,
गो बैक,
गो इंडिया,
गो बैक।
हम किसी तंजीम से नहीं है यहाँ पे, हम मकबूजा कश्मीर से है यहाँ पे। So we are just supporting our brothers and sisters in Kashmir who are under siege in Kashmir. There's lot of human rights violations going on there. So that's what we are opposing, and we are opposing India's terrorism in Kashmir.
The United Nations Security Council has recognized this is no more a bilateral negotiation. Understand this point. No longer is this a bilateral negotiation. The world must wake up to this human cry. This is today the biggest human cry in the world going on today is Kashmir. I tell those nations that are quiet, all those countries, the people who are silenced,